Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy ombre and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this berry purple by China Glaze called Traffic Jam and black by Kiss called Express. I just bought this purple polish at TJ Maxx and I really wanted to use it. I love the color. It's very opaque. It is a really good nail polish, but it did take me a while to do the ombre because the black did not want to stick on. So it took me several times to get the ombre to the color that I wanted. But I have to say that I love the finished look of it. You can use any color combos you want, but I want to do something simple and easy and take a break from my neons that I've been doing. Then using my Buittee Collections JQ-27 nail plate, I'm going to apply silver polish onto this cute diamond and dot stamp design. I just thought it would be perfect on top of it. I wanted something different instead of doing a white or a black, stamp design. I wanted to add something different. And I love how it all came out. It worked really well together. I didn't think it was going to work that well, but it came out really nice. As you can see, I just applied that stamp onto my nails. I removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I make, these videos really easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. I love how this came out. It's really nice and classy. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.